What if I told you that you could have this as your wallpaper on your Mac and that every single one of these thumbnails is perfectly interactable? So this video is not scripted, so I'm basically just kind of blab a little bit here. But if you're anything like me, you've probably been either you've played the Wii before or you've played some variation of it, whether it's like the original Wii from 2006, the Wii U, the Switch 2, whichever version, right? And I just figured that there's a lot of customization available for Windows, but nothing really for Mac. And so I figured I'd just create something for Mac users. And so as you currently see, this is my current wallpaper. Well, wallpaper-ish, but each one of these is perfectly customizable. So you can change the thumbnail. You can change what app it opens. You can also link it to a website link if you want. So for example, this goes to YouTube. This one, I won't say which one this one goes to, but this one goes to my browser. So if I just click on it, it'll basically just take me here. And so that's essentially how it works. So I'll also show you guys how to set this up. So the first thing you need to do is actually head over to this link right here. I also have it down in the description below, but essentially what it is it's just where I'm hosting like all the code for it and a way for you to download it to your Mac. And so once you head over here, if you want, you can leave a star. It would be much appreciated. And if you also want to contribute to it, I also want to add like other customizations so you can actually customize the actual Wii menu theme. But anyways, so you just want to know how to download. So you just come here, go to releases. You can read all this as well. Everything's notarized. So, I promise no viruses or anything getting onto your Mac. Just come here, click on, Ivan's menu. .dmg. This will download the actual app to your Mac. And then it'll essentially just walk you through the onboarding, how to customize things, as well as changing what apps each thumbnail opens, stuff like that. Also the time too here is perfectly synced up with whatever your local time is. So mine is 7:03 p.m. As well as the date icon, the date down here as well. Currently this doesn't do anything. I'm not quite sure what I wanted to do. I also need to fix this border here. But this will open the like menu. But I do also need to change this a bit. Yeah, that's essentially how to have the OG Wii menu as your wallpaper on your Mac. And then also you can also just go through. So there are a total of 3, 6, 9, 12 times 4. That's like 48. So yeah, if you have a lot of apps, you can basically put every single one here, website links, whatever it may be. Please let me know what you guys think about it. Do you guys like it? Are there things that need to be changed? And if you download it, yeah, let me know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.